Hi viewers, it's not very often I do a full unboxing this day, so I thought it would make a nice change. And to give you a clue who this box is from, there's your clue. See if you can guess. Anyway, let's get straight on with this with my trusty Kershaw. See if we can't get into this box. Well, let us take a look and see what we have. We have one packet, two packets. Oh, awesome. Oh, I don't know exactly what they are. Oh, we will do. Curious to know what the little boxes. Matches. Naughty, naughty, you're not supposed to send matches. Oh, thank you so much. So let's see what's in these two packages. Of course, if you haven't worked out who sent this, I think there may be another clue in one of these packages. And it looks like I've opened the right package first. So, Eagle, or is it Eagle? It's Igor. Yes. Or as they say in Russia, Igory. So let's have a look what he sent Igor. Unfortunately, he isn't here at the moment, but he is, well, he was performing last night, so not sure where he is. So a Hershey's bar for Igor, I'm sure he'll appreciate that, and a buffalo nickel. Awesome. I will make sure he gets those when I see him. And oh, there you go, I've given it away now, haven't I? Look, thanks for the trade. Silver bean counter. Yes, indeed. So let's see what we have. Oh, I see a Rolo there. And a whole load of other silver. Oh my word. Where should we start? We'll start with the smallest, shall we? Oh, it was a buffalo nickel for me too. And Mexican 2.5 pesos, the 1968 Olympics. What have we got here? Oh, an Indian head. Ah, see, I'm learning my American coinage. Very slowly, but I'm getting there. And what is this? Ah, fake to destroy. Oh, I'll have to have a closer look at that one later to see what it is. I'm not sure exactly what that's meant to be. I'll have a look at that later. Looking on this screen is a nightmare. 1929, 50 centavos. 1939, is it? Oh, I don't know, I can't see the date. And 2002 proof silver Yosemite. Well, I haven't seen this one. Oh. There you go. Oh, thank you for that. and some vintage. Oh, definitely. Oh, I haven't got one of these. This is awesome. Actually, I think it is a coin I had been looking at actually, or I saw someone else had one and thought it was a pretty cool design. 1981, year I was born, I wish. What's this one? I'll tell you, it's cloudy today, so I can't hardly see shit. Excuse my language. Typical, we've had some glorious sunshine, and the day I want to do a video, it clouds over and rains. 1984. Another lovely bit of vintage silver for me. Oh, and a nice toner there. I'll have to upload this one on Tuesday on Instagram for Toner Tuesday. Awesome. Love that. Brilliant. What's this? An International? Of course I am flipping these the wrong way. That's another brilliant one. Yeah, lovely. Look at that. Oh, this is that rainbow toning showing up. Probably not. But brilliant. Brilliant, my friend. Thank you so much. Ah, nice sunshine. That's what I could do with some flipping sunshine. Sunshine mining. And who's this one? I have to pop that one out. Let's see who that one's from. No gloves. Holding my silver for a change. It's not that I've run out. I just thought it'd make a change. San Francisco. Brilliant. Thank you so much. And then the actually, that's perfect timing. I've literally run out of my Apmex pads. I've used them all up. They're very useful, I must say. It is a couple cool beans. Awesome. Lovely. They've done a great job on these, I must say, MK bars. Very, very cool indeed. So, two of those, and of course I missed my Rolo that I spotted as it came out, Swiss of America, if I am correct. And so I am. Brilliant. Have I got one of these? If I have, I'm not sure. If I have, it's only one, so thank you so much for that one as well, my friend. Great doing that trade with you. And oh, Tiny found another package there, look. Oh, it's going to be a long video. 1984 Prospector. Brilliant. I have finish on these from 1984. I mean, look at that. Look at the shine on that. It's Engelhard. It's been awesome doing the trade with you, my friend, and thank you ever so much for everything you've sent, and I'll make sure Igor gets his gifts next time I see him. Thanks for watching.